right through there.
Alright.
That's simple.
She's gonna get muddy as shit. Christy did the last time.
Sounds like a bunch of damn squirrels in there fighting. Your reef hitch is burying into the bank.
Earl. You know better than that.
No shit.
He is gonna break.
If you hit it right there, it'll go.
You back tires? Okay.
If you hit it hard right there, it'll go.
Hey, my wife's in there.
You hit it hard right there, Shane.
Little harder.
Good God. Hey, just try the old way, damn it.
I think you might again. Try to straddle that. Last time you made it up, one tire went up the side here and one was right here. Not that it'll work again. You got it dirty.
Hey, I bet you can make it if you go this way.
That's gonna big bash right up that motherfucker.
I tell you what. Hey! Turn around and go back.
You backing up damn good.
I just like you can try to find it. Hey, that four-wheeler ever gonna do that again.
He's about to
Might have done it right then. You just gotta get it up right.
Oh shit.
They got a hose there. That's good.
He's tearing that
That's
off.
what we wanted to see right there.
Wait, I made that. Oh, got that tree down right there.
Dig yourself a fucking hole.
Hey, we can't even get to your damn wings now. Dumbass. Oh my God.
Well, that's done. Earl, did you get all that on video?
Oh yeah, I'm still recording.
I might have to go swimming in the creek.
Stand on the tire, Shane. Jump across.
I'm fine.
Oh, you staying over there.
It doesn't bother me though. I'm used to it. Hey,
Get down there in it, Trey.
Hey Sean.
Wearing my good hat on everything.
Hey Sean, I think if you get turned that way, you can make it that way.
What I was trying to do was turn it, trying to go right up right there. I never got turned. Greg, where y'all going? Got it. You ain't gonna make it. Coming hard.
pull the rhino back.
Nah, fuck that.
Tree right there.
There's a tree right here. Never mind.
Hey, who's got my beer?
Didn't you say it was? That's it on the floor.